In this video, I'm going to be completing question 5, which requires us to fix the following code, which is supposed to generate 3 PDFs or PNGs of the following graphs. And so the first thing that I notice is that we use the PLT dot pretty often. However, we did not import this into the program. So I'm going to start by writing import matplotlib .py plot as plt. So I'm actually going to try to run this code and see what happens. So I press the run button and you can see there is no module named pandas. So to fix this issue, we are going to have to install pandas into this terminal. So I'm going to write pip install pandas. Press enter. And so you see it's downloading pandas and it has installed pandas. So then I run this again. And we can see there are a couple of issues within the code that we need to try to fix now. So first of all, I want to look at the CSV file for this. And we see we have name, time studying, and grade. Here, we see that it's taking data from time studying and grade student, which is actually not the name that was in the CSV file. So I'm going to change it to just grade. And then, so I believe that line is fixed. Next, we need to actually save this figure. So instead of pressing show, I'm going to do plt.savefig, and I'm going to name it what the instruction said, which was plot1.png. So I'm going to run this, see if it works now. And you can see there was a plot that was generated. And so when we check question 5, part 1, we can see that it was successful. Moving on to the second part, we see that we're trying to generate this histogram here. And I am just going to try to run it and see what happens. So we can see that the name orange is not defined. Did you mean range? So when I come back here, it is talking about this right here. It has to be in quotes because right now it wasn't. So as you can see here, this color was in quotes. Therefore, this color must also be in quotes. So that's one of the issues. I'm also going to change this to the save fig so that we can actually see it in our link tree here. So I'm going to name this one plot2.png. And let's run this, see what happens. Okay, and so we got a plot right here, and now we can test it. And it passed. So for part 3, we're trying to generate the bar plot. And so I am going to, as you can see, I already fixed the save fig thing. So I put plt.savefig and I named it plot3.png. And so when I ran this, we saw that there was an error code where it said that number of students in line 36. So I'm going to go to line 36 and I notice that I am missing quotations. I'm going to run it again. Okay. And then here it says bin labels must be one fewer than the number of bin edges. And this corresponds to the time labels here. So we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. But here in reality, I need another one. So when I press run, let's see, and then we have plot 3 generated, and then we can check it here. And it worked. And that was all for question number 5.